This video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own quantity takeoff criteria because the ones coming out of the box aren't really that complete. So over here in our tool space on the settings tab, we're going to come down here to quantity takeoff, and under quantity takeoff criteria, we've got a cut and fill. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to create a copy of it. All right. And what I'm going to call this one is I'm just going to call this one my volumes. Then I'm going to go to the material list. All right. So right now you can see here we've got two. We've got a ground remove, which shows me the EG is below the datum when it's talking about removal, and the ground fill, the EG is above the datum. So that's showing us some fill. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 3 more materials. Okay. So I'm going to go add material. We'll do 4. Thanks. Okay, I'll just leave it at that, 4, but I could add 6, 8, 10. I leave them called that, material 1, 2, 3. I don't know what I want at this stage, whether that's actually pavement, asphalt, base, as long as I just keep them 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you got to change your quantity type. And so it's actually structure. So we're going to change all those to structures. So these are going to be all of our individual materials. Okay. Then we can change the styles. So it doesn't matter which one. I often have them in here, just none, like green, red, blue, whatever. I'm going to change them to something else. So I'm going to say that's pavement. I'm going to change this one to say a milling. Let's go with this one to, I just want them to look different basically. I'll go sidewalk, and then this one I might just do sub-base there. Okay. Now I'm going to select that material 1. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to select the corridor shape. Okay, so I've got a corridor shape, and then I can come down here and start picking what shape I want, or I could just type in whatever I wanted. So in this case in here, I don't want to say that. I'm just going to say material 1, and I'll hit add. All right, here I'll go material 2, and I'll go add. And let's go 3. I'll go add. And last one, we'll go 4. And I'll go add. All right, that's it. I don't need to do anything else right now. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I often have up to like 10 of them. So I'm going to go okay. And now we're going to show you how this works. So now if I select on my cross section, I go up here to compute materials. And I'm going to select a different criteria this time, and I'm going to use my volume one. Now this comes up. So now I'm combining my cut and fill and my materials. And then so in this situation here, we'll go XG and datum. Material 1, I want it to be, say, my pave 1. And then I want to go pave 2. And then I want to go base. And then I want to go sub base. Okay? All good. I go okay. Now, here's the, I'm going to rename this one to call volumes. And now you see here it says material 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's why I did it in my report, because I don't know which material I want first. And in this situation, I want my report to say asphalt. I'm going to say this is gravel. This one might be type 2. This might be called river run. And I go okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and generate this report. So if I go compute materials, generate volume report, we're going to use my volumes, and I'm going to use this last one, the select material one, so I can see all of them. I go okay, and there you can now see ground remove, ground fill, asphalt, gravel, type 2, and river run. That concludes this short video on creating a new quantity takeoff criteria.